There can be no peace until justice has been served.
President Putin's decision to initiate this war of aggression is, so to speak, the original sin.
And we felt a very strong responsibility to try and go and see for ourselves what was happening in Ukraine, and then to go to the Security Council and bear witness to that.
Those responsible for these atrocities must pay a price for the horror and for undermining the principles that support international peace and security.
Thus, the states must invoke the responsibility of Russian Federation by lawful means.
The success of Ukraine will empower other people in different parts of the world to fight for justice, and will make our world better.
We are very grateful to Ireland, its firm stance in shaping the thinking on ensuring criminal accountability for Russia's aggressions against Ukraine.
We should all be grateful to Ukraine to have placed this item on the international agenda.
Each day, new crimes are committed, but each day, too, dedicated and passionate people to ensuring that victims of crimes are not denied justice, are not forgotten.
We will be doing our best to keep Ukraine high on the agenda in Ireland and to remind everybody that freedom cannot be taken for granted.